If you need something custom, call Nisi Custom, she gon' get it done. Like and subscribe, you gon' have fun. Anything custom, she gon' get it done. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Hi, welcome to Nisi's Customs. If you're a new subscriber, make sure you look at the whole video. If you like what you see and you like my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you. Welcome back. I love the support. I know I haven't put any content out for a while, but I'm going to go ahead and start doing it now. Today, we're going to be talking about the A-Sub sublimation paper, the lightweight one. I have two sublimation papers here. The one with the black writing, A-Sub, is the 125, and the one with the yellow writing is the 120. The 120 is way lighter and thinner than the 125, but it works good. Right now, I'm using the 120 in my Epson Workforce WF7720. I love that printer. Sometimes it gets on my nerves, but I love it. And that's the A-Sub 120G, and it's 8x11. And I'm about to do my mug. Now I'm cutting out the design. I like to wipe my mugs and tumblers down with a little bit of alcohol first before I start pressing, because it gets that shine, and I like that shine. I'm gonna go ahead and put this mug into my Cricut mug press. I was going to put it in the oven, but I changed my mind. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the Cricut mug press, and we're going to see how it turns out at the end. Be back. Okay, the mug is finished now, and I want you to look at this right here, how bright it came out on this. But see how shiny it is? Oh, that looks so beautiful. I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on A-Sub 120G. That paper is good. I'm telling you, it's good. Okay, this concludes my video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I will see y'all the next time. Peace.
If you need something custom, call Nisi Custom, she gon' get it done. Like and subscribe, you gon' have fun. Anything custom, she gon' get it done. Ooh, 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 ooh. Anything custom, plain, just